Hello everyone. Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspirational Hub. I'm excited to have you here today. If you're passionate about woodworking and want to learn simple, profitable furniture ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with friends. Let's get started. Creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Winter garden decor not only beautifies your outdoor Today video we explore simple, profitable wood furniture ideas. Whether you're new or experienced, these tips help you craft beautiful pieces easily. Follow along to learn how to turn woodworking into a profitable venture with creative, decorating techniques. Select affordable, durable woods like pine or reclaimed wood for your projects. These materials are easy to work with and cost-effective. Proper choice ensures your furniture looks professional, lasts longer, and appeals to buyers, making your craft more profitable and satisfying. Use essential tools like saws, drills, and sanders to craft furniture efficiently. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and goggles. Organize your workspace and learn proper tool use. Investing in good tools saves time, improves quality, and helps you produce professional, profitable furniture. Transform old furniture with sanding, repainting, or staining. Add trendy touches like distressing or stenciling to increase appeal. Upcycling reduces costs and waste, making projects more profitable. Creative upcycling turns basic pieces into attractive, sellable furniture that stands out in the market. Enhance furniture with painting and finishing. Use chalk paint, wax, or stencils for unique effects. Prime before painting and seal with varnish for durability. Beautiful finishes increase value, allowing you to sell at higher prices and boost your profits. Upgrade furniture with new hardware, handles, or carvings. Adding shelves or decorative accents improves appearance and utility. Small details make pieces more attractive and marketable, helping you charge higher prices and increase profit margins with minimal extra effort. Showcase your work on social media and local markets. Use quality photos, offer custom options, and build trust. Creating an online shop or attending fairs expands your reach. Good marketing and quality craft help you grow sales and maximize profits. Thanks for watching. Start small, focus on quality, and stay consistent. Every project improves your skills and profits. Don't fear setbacks. Persistence pays off. Keep creating, experimenting, and growing your woodworking business. Subscribe for more tips and happy crafting.